Namaste and welcome to Sonali Joshi's Astro Jyoti Healing. In this video, we are going to see what are the different professions, what are the different fields, what things will be affected after this solar eclipse. To those of you who are new to astrology, the solar eclipse that is happening on the 10th of June 2021 is going to happen in the nakshatra of Rohini and in the sign of Taurus. After the eclipse, usually people see the effects of that unsettled energy. Not necessarily everything is bad or worse. Sometimes after eclipse we see some good results as well. The individual results depend on your own moon nakshatra, your own ascendant, as well as from which house Rahu Ketu are transiting for you now. The position on the day of solar eclipse astrologically is like this. We have Sun and Moon conjunct Rahu along with Mercury. Mars, Saturn, Jupiter are out of this eclipse as well as Venus. However, after the eclipse, we do notice that wherever Rahu aspects are the energies that are unsettled eventually start showing the effects. And hence, the professions that will be affected are: number one, if you are in the field of entertainment, actor, actresses, poets, authors, singers. These are Rohini dominant professions, including models and fashion industry. So if you are working as a fashion designer, if you are a model in the fashion industry, you will notice that your profession is affected somewhat, and you will have to come up with new ways in order to seek attention or get earnings from your profession. All dancers, musicians, poets, with the lockdown, they have come up with new ways of presenting their art to the public. They will have to continue doing so, finding out new ways, finding out different initiatives related to their projects so that they can earn through their arts as well as music and performing arts. Another industry that will be affected is the service industry. Typically, the restaurant, hotel management, travel and tourism will get affected after this solar eclipse. People will have to come up with new ways to sell their products as well as new ways to carry out their business. Conjunction of Rahu and Sun means people are coming up with new ways. They are going to reject old ways, or they will bring some pioneer work, some rebellious work into these fields. Anybody who is in the fields of or positions of authority, they will have to come up with new systems whereby they can allow all these professions to flourish. One more important area is food and food products. Rohini deals with agriculture, food, vegetables, and food processing. This whole industry will come up with new ways to package, to sell, and to distribute all the foods that are prepared. It's just not about taking the parcel service, it's not just about using the frozen foods. The whole industry will go through big revolution. If you are working in the fields of creating different spices, creating herbal supplements, or you are working as a professional who deals with preparing different herbal products and selling them, marketing them, you will have to come up with various ways to do that. We may find some new discoveries, we may find some inventions in the ways herbal products are consumed or prepared. So if you are in this field, this is a great time for you. You are already working on different projects related to it. After eclipse, you will see lot of rise in your profession. Rohini also deals with real estate. After Rahu moved into Rohini, we have seen real estate going through various phases. Typically in America, after COVID hit, real estate has increased a lot. The profession is typically related to buying and selling homes is booming. The house pricing is consistently increasing. So you may notice real estate people, real estate agents have to deal with various scenarios. They had to adapt technology in order to sell the new houses. The same thing will continue to happen, and we will see a wave all through the world regarding the real estate prices. If you are working as a consultant, the consulting industry is also getting affected with this eclipse. You will have to learn new technology, you will have to adapt new ways, come up with new solutions, and then you can work as a consultant. So many people will choose to work from home or work remotely after the solar eclipse. If you are working in the field of politics, whether you are a reporter, analyst, or you are a politician, after the solar eclipse, you will see major change in the political field. Politicians will have to come up with new policies in order to help the common people. You will notice politicians are taking different stand after the eclipse. So there will be a lot of ups and downs in terms of what decisions these people make. Obviously, the individual horoscope will be different, and according to that people will get the results. But in general, these are the fields where we will see lot of changes. Another field that will be affected with this solar eclipse is people who deal with issues of eyes, ears, throat and nose. Typically ENT specialists will have lot of work. They will have to come up with new theories, new ideas or new ways to treat their patients. We may have some discoveries in the fields of eye surgery, the way lenses are made and the way people use their hearing aids. If you are working in the health sector, this is a great time. You will have lot of work and great rewards after the eclipse. Those of you who are working in the fields of issues related to bones, physiotherapy, orthopedics, they will see consistent rise after this eclipse. However, be careful about pushing the new policies. Unless sun in your own horoscope is strong, you may not be able to go ahead with whatever you have in mind. Those of you who were rejected from the main area, main focus, this is their chance to get visibility. Use the eclipse energy for your good, continue working on your projects and you will see major change after the eclipse. Some of you may not notice that change until the end of this year, but around the end of the year you will see and have the rewards of whatever hard work you have been doing and adopting new ways, learning new technologies or coming up with new ideas. Hope this video helps you understand various professions and careers and fields which will have lot of change after the eclipse. There is main area that is about taking care, caring for your family and your kids. Rohini is nakshatra of moon, so it deals with rhythms, rules and repeated patterns. And hence all families, everybody who is working in the field of taking care of kids and the newborns will have lot of scope will have recognition after this solar eclipse. The natural sign Taurus, it is about the resources, natural resources like water, anything that we can store, we can hold. And hence, if you are working in the field of water purification, water conservation, you will notice your skills are in high demand. If you are dealing with any other natural resources management, all those professions will also have rise after the solar eclipse. Some of you will notice that change around end of September, and some of you will notice that change by the end of the year. The key points to take away from this video are: use out of the box thinking, use all the new innovative ways to do your work. It is okay to repeat certain things and have adaptive nature. Those of you who follow these principles, they will have higher rewards and they will start noticing the change definitely around end of the year. If you want to know more about your profession and how it will flourish after the eclipse, please send an email to iamsonalijoshi@gmail.com. Like this video, share this video with your friends who are into the mentioned professions, and please subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Namaste, thank you, Shubhamastu.